Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to apply icons. There is a much more icons are available ready-madely in CSS. To applying this HTML with the help of CSS icons, we need to use link or span tags. So this link I tag which we are going to be applying very easily by making a script we need to get from fontawesome.com, which are free. Let me check first. If not available, I'll write the link here. So font awesome CDN link. Yes, go over here, click here. Yeah, so here you may observe font awesome CDN link. It is a sending like an embedded code which are going to be sending. It is saying, or else see, this is the path to fontawesome.css font awesome like library. We can download and integrate this. If we are downloading the things, we can download and make the link to our local project, which is a very important to know. Why? Because downloading and putting a link is makes like a very secure site you are going to be preparing. So try to practice and download this and making like how we are giving the image path the same way you have to set. That's it. Alright. Or else see, like I'm trying to applying like a CDN link over here. Let me find where the CDN link is. They are saying like they are sent to our email address. So they are trying to making like capturing of email ID. Like CDN font awesome libraries, free and open source. Let me check here. Yeah, you may take these links. You may take these links, or else you may get these links from Font Awesome intro. Yep. Yes, here also CDN links are available. Just will take it this reference of the link. Okay. So I'm taking from W3 schools of the link. So I'm going to adding like there is a no style. Here we can add inside the header. Any external resources if you are adding to your CSS HTML page, maybe like links, JavaScripts, and this CSS style sheets, you may try to apply inside the head section only. I hope it's very clear. Alright, now how we can write these icons? Let's see. IA, a very simple I class we can use here. Let's see, very simply using I class FA clouds. Let's see, I and class FA and FA car and FA car with the font size style, and this is the class name we need to call from this particular CDN. So let's see, by save this and refresh. Wow, see the icons we are getting here. And let me write one more. If I am writing something I, and inside the I have to write some class, CLASS class equal to, and here I may write FA space FA hyphen CLOUD cloud. I'm writing cloud. Let's check this, is it available or not. Reload. Yes, the cloud is there. If this the same cloud is to be like increased with the color red, how this style I am going to apply? Nothing more to do. Take a copy and paste here. Red, not cloud is always blue, so take a blue, sky blue, dark blue, olive blue, light blue, royal blue, whatever the color you need, you apply. Save it, reload. Why this is not coming? Font size is, color is blue, I have applied. Something is missed. Yes, this quote is missed. Save it, reload. Wow, this blue color cloud is displaying here. If you need yellow color cloud, yes, you will get like a yellow, green, yellow, all this. Wow, yellow color cloud. So similarly, whichever the icon you need to know, this you may refer this here. You may refer here. Like one more class I am writing, class, which are, these all are all you need to know, like FA and how you can call this. FA and FA heart, we'll check it. FA-HEART, heart. So this heart we will get, how we will see. Yeah. Now save this, reload. Yes, heart symbol is available. If need only the size to be increased, if the size is to be increased, what you say, you just put size and put quote, save it, refresh the page. Yes, this heart. If you want to put any color which is a custom color you may need to apply, yes, you can apply over there. So how these are the things are available and what are the these FA and these class names you need to know. First, you need to know the class names very clearly. So let's see. How we will get. Go here and font awesome icons. You like a font awesome ICONS icons, you may type here. So font awesome like icons you will get here. Yeah, the list of the font awesome icons you will get here. See, free and open source icons. Yes, pro and license are also there for font awesome icons. If you are willing to pay, you pay something and get the code like these icons. They will help you in both ways. Branded icons, active, see, not sure to start, and these are the 2007 free like open source icons they are providing. 1 2 3 4 numbers and book address books. If you want to get address book with this see the pay Amazon icon, most of the basic website needed things will be available in free. If you need more than that, you have to check with that. So for an example, if we are going to be applying something like address card for contact us, see, if I click here, see, if you are written this link, take a copy of this link, very easily copy paste it, save it. Let's check it. Reload this book. Yeah, something it's not coming here. So FA regular, FA address card. So let's check with the FA. Yeah, save this and reload. Yes, we are getting a book. If need like a size of this particular size to be increased, we'll put something like style here. So the style for this is this one. Yes, we are getting. So this way you need to take a customization actions. For the purpose only you are learning this all the CSS coding. See, by default this is the size is 100% is this one. I am increasing. Check it with yourself and you will get a great experience by applying of the all these icons in your website. We'll catch you in the next lecture with great experience. Thank you.